Here are the top 5 reasons why GutterBrush gutter guards are an effective solution for commercial gutters, large gutters on metal buildings, and pool screen gutters. Number 1. Easy installation. One of the major benefits of GutterBrush gutter guards is that they are easy to install. They come in 3-foot lengths that can be easily inserted into the gutter, and there are 5 sizes to fit any size or shape of gutter. This makes them a convenient and hassle-free solution for protecting your gutters. Number 2. Low maintenance. Once installed, GutterBrush gutter guards require minimal maintenance. They are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and are simple to maintain since there are no fasteners or tools needed. This makes GutterBrush a popular choice for busy property managers or owners who do not have the time or resources to regularly clean their gutters. Number 3. Effective at preventing debris. GutterBrush gutter guards are designed to block leaves, twigs, and other debris from entering the gutter, which helps prevent clogs and water damage. The bristled brush conforms to the shape of the gutter and creates a physical barrier that prevents debris from entering, while still allowing water to flow through. Number 4. Protects against water damage. Clogged gutters can cause water damage to a building's foundation, roof, walls, and landscaping. By preventing debris from clogging the gutters, GutterBrush gutter guards can help protect the building from water damage. This can save property managers and owners costly repairs in the long run. And number 5. Extends the life of gutters. Debris in gutters can cause them to rust, rot, or become damaged over time. By keeping gutters clear of debris, GutterBrush simple gutter guards can help extend the life of rain gutters, saving property managers and owners the cost of regular maintenance or replacement. GutterBrush gutter guards are available in 5 sizes up to 8 inches in diameter. They are a simple, effective solution to protect large gutters found on commercial buildings, metal buildings, and pool screen gutters. They are easy to install, require minimal maintenance, prevent clogs, avoid water damage, and extend the life of rain gutters. Learn more at gutterbrush.com or request samples to determine the best size to fit your gutters. GutterBrush comes with a money-back guarantee. They are made in the USA, and you can always give us a call at 888-397-9433 to speak with a friendly, knowledgeable professional ready to assist you with any questions or placing an order.